Welcome to Crypto AI Predictor. Today, we are exploring the DeFi SuperApp that is currently anchoring one of the most active ecosystems in the world. If you've been following the BNB Chain, you know that the competition for liquidity is fierce. But there is one project that has risen above the noise to become the primary liquidity layer for the entire network. We are talking about Thena. This isn't just a place to swap tokens. It is a sophisticated financial engine designed to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the decentralized future. As we navigate the 2026 bull run, the market is no longer rewarding ghost chains or empty promises. It is rewarding the protocols that actually facilitate billions in volume. Before we jump into the AI-driven price analysis and reveal the specific target our models have flagged for this cycle, make sure to subscribe to the channel to support our deep dives into the next generation of DeFi. Disclaimer: the following content is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial, investment, or trading advice. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile, and you should always conduct your own research and consult with a professional before making any financial decisions. What is Thena? Thena is a decentralized exchange and liquidity hub built on the BNB Chain. But calling it just a DEX doesn't quite do it justice. It is built using an innovative VE model, which combines the best parts of Curve Finance's vote escrow system and Olympus DAO's game theory. In simple terms, Thena creates a flywheel effect. Protocols use Thena to incentivize liquidity for their own tokens, making it cheaper and easier for them to grow. Liquidity providers earn the tokens for providing the capital that makes trading possible. Token holders can lock the tokens to become the holders. This gives them the power to vote on where rewards go and, in return, they receive a share of the trading fees and bribes from other protocols. It is a self-sustaining ecosystem where everyone's incentives are aligned. Whether you are trading spot assets, perpetual futures, or even participating in the arena social trading competitions, Thena is designed to be your all-in-one DeFi home. Why Thena is dominating in 2026. As we move through this 2026 bull cycle, the BNB chain is undergoing a massive transformation. With the launch of high-performance EVM at scale, the network is capable of handling more transactions than ever before. Thena is the direct beneficiary of this upgrade. Currently, the platform offers version 3.3 liquidity, a modular layer that allows for hypercapital efficiency, similar to what we've seen in the most advanced versions of Uniswap. Perpetual trading, deep liquidity for leveraged trading, integrated with Layer 3 protocols to ensure professional-grade speed and reliability. AI-driven portfolio management. In early 2026, the team began integrating automated tools that help users optimize their yields using machine learning. The real yield narrative is the king of this bull run. Investors are looking for projects that generate actual revenue from trading fees rather than just printing new tokens. Thena's ability to distribute these fees to its most loyal holders makes it a blue-chip utility play in the BNB ecosystem. The tokenomics of the token is the heart of this liquidity engine. With a circulating supply of roughly 125 million tokens and a maximum supply capped at 326 million, the project has passed its initial inflationary phase. We are now in a period where the burn mechanisms and the locking of tokens for voting are creating a significant supply sink. In previous cycles, we saw how projects like Curve and Convex dominated the Ethereum landscape. Thena is essentially playing that same role for the BNB chain, but with a more modern, efficient architecture. The AI price prediction, the peak of the bull run. Our proprietary AI models at Crypto AI Predictor have been analyzing Thena's performance metrics, its total value locked, the daily fee generation, and its correlation with the broader BNB ecosystem's growth. The models are picking up a strong accumulation lead. This happens when a project's fundamental usage grows faster than its price, creating a spring-loaded effect. As institutional interest in DeFi matures and more TradFi bridges are built into the BNB chain, the demand for the as a governance and reward asset is projected to enter a parabolic phase. When we plug these variables into our 2026 bull market simulator, factoring in a projected $5 trillion total crypto market cap, the results point to a massive breakout. Our AI has identified a specific technical level that aligns with the golden ratio extension for this cycle. According to our latest deep learning analysis, as the bull run reaches its ultimate peak and altcoin season hits full velocity, the price of Thena is predicted to surge toward a target of 4. Why the 4 target is the objective. Reaching the level of 4 would represent a significant re-rating of Thena's value, placing it among the top decentralized exchanges globally by market capitalization. This isn't just a speculative number. It represents a valuation where Thena's market cap would reflect its role as the central liquidity infrastructure for a top 3 global blockchain. Our AI suggests that the path to 4 will be paved by the continued integration of native on-chain options and the expansion of the Alpha Perpetual DX. As long as the volume on BNB Chain continues to climb, the math behind the token's value remains incredibly bullish. Final thoughts. Thena is more than a protocol. It's a vision for a more efficient financial system. By aligning the interests of traders, protocols, and holders, it has built a moat that is very difficult to bridge. In the 2026 bull run, utility is the only thing that will survive the final washout, and Thena has utility in spades. Keep a close eye on the weekly bribe volumes on the Thena dashboard. When you see other protocols fighting to get the rewards, you'll know the journey to our target is well underway.